Welcome. And this is the practice question number 11, which is API gateway. So you have an existing web application deployed in Kubernetes cluster using an ingress resource named web. You must migrate the existing ingress configuration to the Kubernetes gateway API. So now this KPI is everything is being actually ingress is getting old, and mostly we are using the gateway API, maintaining the existing HTTPS access configuration. So task is create a gateway resource named web gateway with a host name particular this, and maintain the existing TLS listener configuration from the existing ingress in resource named web, and create HTTP routes also. Resources named web route with the host name gateway this, and maintain the existing route rules from the current ingress resource named web. So gateway class named Nginx is already installed in the cluster. So if you want to get all the things, then a particular videos is already uploaded, and you need to search, or I will just paste this link in the comment section. So no worries, and let's get started. So we are creating the scenarios. So first, just copy this and paste it here. So pod is created. So we are exposing this pods also. Paste. So now create a TLS. So TLS is created. Secret is created. So actually this is not well formatted. So I'll copy and I'll correct it when you are watching this video. Then I'll create web ingress YAML, and then I'll copy and paste. So escape WQ. I'll apply this web ingress. Then we are applying this Nginx class means gateway CRDs, and now we are creating Nginx controller, which is saying that already present. So apply nf Nginx control L. Now let's start solving this question. A gate ingress. So A describe ingress. So whatever things here is there. So K gate services. So let's get started, and K gate ingress. So here web. So K gate ingress web hyphen o YAML, and I'll take this output in some temp.yaml. So I'll cat this. So this name is web, and this host is this, and this secret name is TLS, and all the information means rule that prefix web services this we will use. So what values we gonna use is, that is the host name, this host name, and TLS secret, backend services, and which is this web service, and rule, that is prefix here. So let's start create a gateway resources. So just go to the Kubernetes sites. There search API gateway. Here, this is the typical API gateway file. So I'll copy this file. And I'll paste it here. So I'll open a new tab. But you can paste there only. Sorry, Control L via API gateway.yaml, and I'll paste it here. So whatever things we need to change is metadata, that is the name. So I'll paste a name. So I go to the question. So create a gateway resource. So web gateway, copy and paste. Some wrong thing is happening because of copy paste. I think my mouse is not working. Gateway. So here English don't have any. So here namespace is not there, because here English is also don't have any namespace. So remove this namespace. Then gateway class name is here. It is also mentioned that it is the gateway class is Nginx, and here the listener is HTTPS. So name is you can give HTTPS only. Then here protocol is HTTPS, and here we are using 443 because HTTP is 80, and this HTTPS is 443. This is our host name. So host name, you should give this host name, or you can copy from here, and here these things is not required. And now you want TLS information. So mode is terminate, and certificate reference you want, and this kind is secret, and name is TLS hyphen RE which already taken from this TLS secret, and all information is taken from this here. So I can just escape WQ. If you don't know how to means if you how to view this, then you can refer to the API reference, or you can just explain there. You can find out this TLS. So escape WQ a apply hyphen API gateway. So API gateway is created. Now create the HTTP route resources. So the HTTP routes attached to the gateway and define the routing rules. So need to create HTTPS route. Just below that you can find that the HTTP route things. So here you think that whatever the name, this host name is mentioned, that this is there and there with the ingress also. So just copy this HTTPS routes and PI HTTPS YAML, and there you can find it here. And now change whatever the information is here. So name is given, that is the web route. So don't choose your name. Whenever the name is given, you should mandatory give that name. Otherwise, it would be dangerous to you. And now this parent reference. So parent reference is a web gateway. Because we have already given this name web gateway. Okay, and host name is also there with us, and this is also a host name. So I can copy from here that gateway web copy. So I can paste it here, and the rules is a map path prefix, and here this is not required. So this backend reference is web services. So this is the services, web services, and port number is 80. So this is the HTTPS route. So WQ and K apply hyphen app HTTPS. So its web route is created. So K get HTTPS routes is created, and you can describe HTTPS route. You will find things there, and our question is solved. So this is you can practice it here. So thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll meet in the next scenario, and that would be requests and limits. So thank you so much for your love and support.